Welcome to today's news discussion. I'm Sonia, and I'm joined by Simon.
Hi, I'm Simon. Let's dive into the stories making headlines today.
First up, HSBC has agreed to sell its Singapore life and health insurance business to Allianz for US $2.09 billion.
That's a significant deal. What are the key implications for HSBC?
The disposal is expected to generate a pre-tax gain of US $1.8 billion and an estimated up to 15 basis point increase to CET1 for the HSBC Group.
So, this sale is likely to boost HSBC's capital position. How does this fit into HSBC's overall strategy?
The sale will help HSBC simplify its operations and focus on core markets. It's part of a broader effort to streamline their business.
And what about Allianz? What does this acquisition mean for them?
Allianz gains a significant expansion opportunity in Singapore's regulated market. This move likely strengthens their presence in the region.
The deal also includes a 15-year bancassurance agreement, right?
Exactly. HSBC will continue distributing insurance products through this agreement, maintaining a connection with the business they're selling.
That's a smart move. It ensures continuity for customers and maintains revenue streams for HSBC.
Now, let's move to Adani Enterprises, which has denied reports of entering the airline business.
Adani Enterprises called these reports baseless and factually incorrect. What sparked these denials?
Apparently, there were media reports suggesting Adani was planning to launch an airline. The company quickly refuted these claims.
It's interesting they felt the need to deny it so strongly. Does this indicate any underlying concerns or market sensitivities?
Possibly. The denial suggests there might have been some speculation or rumors that needed to be addressed to avoid market confusion.
And what's the current state of the airline industry in India? Could this be a strategic move if they were considering it?
The Indian airline market is competitive. If Adani were to enter, it would be a significant player. However, for now, they've clarified they're not evaluating any such proposal.
Moving on, Canada and Ecuador are signing a free trade deal today in Ottawa.
This agreement is expected to boost trade between the two countries by eliminating tariffs on Canadian imports.
That sounds like a win for Canadian exporters. Are there any concerns about the potential impact on Ecuador's environment or labor practices?
Critics have warned that the deal could worsen environmental and human rights concerns in Ecuador. It's a complex issue with multiple facets.
So, there's a balance to be struck between economic benefits and potential social and environmental costs.
Exactly. The agreement's details will be crucial in understanding how these concerns are addressed.
Russia's central bank recently made a smaller than usual interest rate cut. What's the reasoning behind this move?
The bank is caught between supporting stagnating economic growth and managing inflation, which remains higher than their target due to war spending.
So they're trying to find a balance. How have previous rate cuts been and what's changed?
Previously, the bank had been cutting rates by at least half a percentage point. The latest cut was a quarter point, indicating a more cautious approach.
This suggests they're being careful not to stimulate inflation further while still supporting the economy.
Let's shift to the Indian stock market, where Calibre Mining and Logistics IPO is listing today.
The gray market had anticipated a listing gain of around 19%. How did it actually perform?
Calibre Mining shares listed at a 19% premium over the IPO price, matching expectations. However, they later dropped by over 8%.
Analysts are advising IPOalities to hold for the medium to long term. What's the reasoning behind this?
Despite the post-listing correction, the long-term potential seems promising. Fresh investors are advised to wait for a dip or consolidation before investing.
It's always interesting to see how IPOs perform. The initial premium followed by a drop is not uncommon.
As we wrap up today's discussion, it's clear there's a lot happening across different markets and industries.
Indeed, from significant business deals to central bank moves and market debuts, there's much to keep an eye on.
That's all for today. Thank you for joining us.
Goodbye, and see you later.